Okay, here are a couple examples from 4.6. So the first one we'll do is an addition. We'll do 7 1/4 plus 6 5/9. All right, so we have two methods, method one and method two. I'm going to do method two, just because most students seem to find that one to be easier. So I'll take 7 1/4 plus 6 5/9. Now here I'll have to find the LCD. Well, 4 is 2 times 2, 9 is 3 times 3. So what we're going to have is just 4 times 9, which is 36. So I'm going to multiply the first one times 9 over 9, the second one times 4 over 4. So that now gives me 7 and 9 over 36 plus 6 and 20 over 36. And now I can just add. So the whole numbers added together, 7 plus 6, that's going to give me 13. And 9 plus 20 is going to give me 29 over 36. Now, 29 is going to be a prime, so we can't reduce that one. And so that should be our final answer, 13 and 29 over 36. So this is an example of an addition. Now let's do a subtraction. Let's say we have 2 1/4 minus 1 2/3. Okay. All right, so here we're just going to again line them up top and bottom. So 2 1/4 minus 1 2/3. Now again, we have to find the LCD. In this case, it's going to be 3 times 4, which is going to be 12. So I'm going to multiply the first one by 3 over 3, the second one times 4 over 4. So that gives me 2 and 3 over 12. And then minus 1 and 2 times 4, that's going to be 8 over 12. And as I've said before, when we do subtraction, a lot of times we're going to have to borrow. So we're going to borrow 1 here. But when we borrow it there, we have to add it back to the other side. So we have to add 12 over 12. So then we have 1 and 3 plus 12 is going to be 15 twelfths minus 1 and 8 twelfths. Well, 1 minus 1, that's going to be 0, so that's easy. Now 15 minus 8, that's going to give us 7 over 12. And so then 7 over 12 is going to be our final answer for the subtraction of 2 1/4 minus 1 2/3. Now, if we wanted to do both of those with the other method, let's do that. So we had 7 1/4 plus 6 5/9. So the other method is we have to get the improper fraction. So we'll take 4 times 7 is 28 plus 1. So that's 29 over 4 plus, here we have 54 plus 5 is 59 over 9. And we have our LCD again. So LCD equals 36. So we're going to take 29 over 4 times 9 over 9 plus 59 over 9 times 4 over 4. And as you can see, this is why students don't like this one, because we have to start multiplying a lot of big numbers here. So 29 times 9, so that's going to be 81. That's going to be 18 plus 8, so that's going to be 26. That's going to be 261 over 36 plus, and now we have to take our other one, which is going to be 59 times our 4. That's going to be 36. That's going to be 23. So that's going to be 236 over 36. So now we have to add those two together. So if we just take 236, add that, 6 and 1 is 7, 6 and 3 is 9, 2 and 2 is 4. So that's going to be 497 over 36. Now guess what? We have to divide that. So hence another reason why students don't like this. So 36 goes into 497. So it's 136. 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Bring down our 7. So now we have 36 times, let's say, 3 maybe. And, times 3. So that's 18. That's 9, 10, 108. And that'll work. So that's a 3. So 108. So now we have to borrow here. That's a 2, a 17. So that's going to be 9 and it's a 2. So now this reduces to 13, and we have a 29 over 36. Okay. And again, we did that already up here, but as you can see, that was a lot easier than all of this multiplying and dividing out. And let's do our subtraction the same way. So we'll have 2 1/4 minus 1 and 2/3. So we have to convert that to improper fractions. So that's 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9 over 4 minus 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, so that's 5 over 3. And again, our LCD is equal to 12. So we're going to take 9 over 4 times 3 over 3 minus 5 over 3 times 4 over 4. So we'll have 27 over 12 minus 20 over 12, which is 7 over 12. So subtraction wasn't too bad because we got our answer pretty quick and things weren't too big as far as numbers. Adding, that seemed to be a little harder. So again, you can decide which one you find easiest to do and do that method.